Well, it is 1:05 p.m. right now, and there's very heavy rain, and the weather's just horrible right now. What's that? It just stopped. Never mind. Can't really see it, but like. So yeah, just sat down. Let me try and open the blinds. Here we go. There we go. And you can see it better. You can see it a lot better now. But yeah, that's what it looks like from the window. You can't really see the ground though. But yeah, it's pretty bad. There are like 3 watches. Can't really tell from the camera, but you can kind of see the rain falling down. It's pretty bad though. Watch this. Watch how bad it's. Can you see there? It's pretty bad, yeah. And then feel the window. It's cold. It's like freezing cold. Yeah, it's some pretty bad weather. Like, gosh dang.